Today, when you walk into that arena, there is no holding back. There is 110% effort. There is maximum commitment. There is no holding back. Do you hear me? You don't get anywhere holding back. Champions don't hold back. Beasts don't hold back. The greats never hold back. You are strong, focused, always ready. You are calm, prepared, hands steady. You are a beast, a champion, ready for fame. You are a beast, a lion no one will tame. Go all out. Give 110. You have more heart than 10,000 men.
Are you focused?
I am focused. I am focused. I am focused.
I am machine. I am beast. I see challenge. I feast.
Let's go. Let's go.
You are unstoppable. No one has the power to stop you. No one has the strength to halt you. Your desire and heart will destroy anyone that gets in your way.
Get the job done. Don't look around to see if others are watching. Don't seek recognition. Don't seek approval. You don't need it. You will be better without it.
You don't listen to haters. They hate because they are small. You are far from small. You are large and in charge. Large in charge.
No matter how many disappointments along the way, my mind remains stronger than ever. Every minute, every hour, every day, focused to the finish.
Your love is the work, the pride in the work, the toughest of work.
The enormous satisfaction you get when you look at yourself in the mirror and you know, without a doubt, you are self-made. Your place has been earned. Your place is deserved. There's no better feeling.
Self-made, strong, powerful, prepared, focused, hungry for more. Repeat after me. This is my time. I have a vision and no one will get in my way. No one will alter my beliefs. No one will roadblock my goals. I will move aside all barriers to my dreams. I will rip them to shreds and leave them scattered on the ground. That's how bad I want this. I want it more than anything or anyone. There is no plan B. There is no falling back. There is only one option. Succeed at all costs. Reach the top. Reach the goal.
You are focused. Your eyes are on the prize.
Your eyes are on the prize. Pain is temporary. Greatness is forever. Are you going to live this day as if it is your last shot to make something of yourself? Give your all. Show your heart. Show your drive. Push yourself to the absolute limit. You will succeed. You will succeed. You will succeed.